Using a portable fire extinguisher. Where an employer has provided portable fire extinguishers in the workplace for employee use, the employer should provide training to each designated employee in the safe use of these devices upon initial assignment and at least annually thereafter. The training program should familiarize employees with the hazards involved in fighting incipient stage fires and the general principles for using fire extinguishers for different classes of fire. Most fire extinguishers require 4 steps for operation. The acronym PASS can be used to remember these 4 steps. Pull the pin on the extinguisher to break the tamper seal. Aim the extinguisher nozzle or hose low towards the base of the fire. Squeeze the handle to release the extinguishing agent. Sweep the nozzle from side to side at the base of the fire until it is extinguished. Users must refrain from touching the plastic discharge horn on carbon dioxide fire extinguishers as it can get very cold and damage the skin. When responding to an incipient stage fire, these steps must be followed. Sound the fire alarm and call the fire department, if appropriate. Identify a safe evacuation path before approaching the fire. Do not allow the fire, heat, or smoke to come between you and your evacuation path. Select the appropriate type of fire extinguisher. Discharge the extinguisher within its effective range using the PSS technique: pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep. Back away from an extinguished fire in case it flames up again. Evacuate immediately if the extinguisher is empty and the fire is not out. Evacuate immediately if the fire progresses beyond the incipient stage. Evacuate immediately if there is even the slightest doubt that the fire may not be controlled by using a portable fire extinguisher.